Hi, I'm Jan. I organized this fundraiser page for my big sister Janet. Ate, or big sister, is someone who likes to cook for the family, who likes to do favors for anyone who asks, very selfless as a human being, and she loves to travel. She likes to travel domestically and also internationally. Unfortunately, early last year, she suffered a stroke. She lives with my mom, and she's also my mom's caregiver. But because they live alone, it took a while for my mom to discover her unconscious. And because she was without medical help for a while, it worsened her condition. So she was unconscious for almost 5 days. And she had to stay in the ICU for about a week. Only after seeing her were we able to understand how her situation is. She opened her eyes and tears rolled down. She couldn't speak. She barely has any movement. She can only move her eyes and very slowly her head. She had to stay in the hospital for a few weeks. She had to feed through a tube, and she had to do speech and physical therapy. After a few weeks, we were able to discharge her. We were taught how to feed her through NGP. We were also taught and referred to therapists who can help Ate with her day-to-day activities. This fundraising campaign aims to assist my sister's medical expenses. The funds we will get from funding will go straight to paying for her medicines, therapies, and a surgery that we need to do very urgently. Her condition is complicated as she also has endometriosis. Every menstrual cycle, she suffers from heavy bleeding, which affects her hemoglobin and causes pain, nausea, and vomiting. I might not be able to thank you personally and give back, but know that we are forever grateful for your contribution, your kind words, words of encouragement, and prayers. Thank you very much.